Shalom, Yasha Allah, Shalom, Shalom, Shalom. Priest Zabach here, HOI to the chariots fly. Hope everybody is well and having a good and blessed night. All right. What is it about? 8 o'clock, 8:30, depending on what coast you on. 11:30. Let me close this window because these children are loud as hell near my building. Salakia, y'all. All right, it's real Shalom. So tonight I'm just coming to y'all with a quick announcement. Kwam Yasha'Allah. All right. Psalms 133. How good and how beautiful it is for Israel to dwell together in unity. So tonight, y'all, I'm coming to y'all with an announcement about HOI's next travel move. So HOI's next travel move will be Friday, August 13th through Monday, August 16th. HOI nationwide, when I say nationwide, meaning all the camps from the different states, East Coast, Midwest, West Coast, we will be coming together in unity in Los Angeles, California. Los Angeles, California. We're calling it Los Angeles Lockdown Camp. Los Angeles Lockdown Unity Camp. HOI Nationwide Los Angeles Lockdown Unity Camp, which will take place on August 14th. Saturday, August 14th, 2021, from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. We will be on Hollywood and Highland. Hollywood and Highland, Los Angeles, California, on August 14th, 2021, from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Now, other events will be going on that weekend, but those will be invite only. We will have an itinerary out to y'all in the next day or two with a list of events, but some events will be invite only due to some security concerns, all right? You know, I've had my bumps and bruises on the West Coast. Shout out to my LA Israelites and my Cali Israelites, but I've had a few issues out here. Brothers had a few issues out here. You know, there's been some death threats in the past or whatever. I'm not trying to, not to scare anybody. Still come out. Still come out. We got that on lock. We got that taken care of, all right? Security and everything will be up to par. And the main security is the Most High Yahweh and the angels. But I say that to say, I'm not saying that to scare anybody. Don't get shook. Come on out and get support and get this word. But the reason why some of the events will be invite only because we have to vet the people that are coming. Unfortunately, we are still under these curses as a nation. We have hatred, so going to be invite only just so we can vet the people that are coming. And we feel through the spirit of the Most High Yahweh Shah, all brothers and sisters will come in the true spirit of fellowship and unity and enjoy the fellowship of Israel. All right, because this is bigger than HOI. This is about Israel as a nation. This is just something that HOI Los Angeles and HOI camps nationwide is hosting for the West Coast. So we will be in the building, Most High will. Los Angeles Lockdown Camp, August 14th, 2021, 6 p.m. to 12 a.m., Hollywood Boulevard, Hollywood, California, Hollywood and Highland. A lot of the brothers is coming from the different states. Elder Terah, all right, will be in the building. Chief Ephraim will be in the building. Ariah will be in the building. Elder Macabre. A lot of the brothers, man. You know, Brother Yerushalayim. A lot of brothers. Who else? I can't think of everybody right now. Salakia, y'all. Brother Gabar, Ash, Lataza, y'all. The brothers, you know, quite a few brothers. All right, if I didn't mention your name, HOI, don't take it personal. Hell, I'm not even sure of who everybody that's coming now. Might be Brother Micah Allah, Brother Tobit, Brother Laron, Brother Yawasap. I mean, there's a lot of names I could mention, but if I didn't mention you, Salakia, because I'm still not sure of everybody that's coming. But, you know, HOI will be in the building, a lot of the brothers from the different states and everything. And we just coming to show unity and love, to Some of our West Coast family that's in the truth. Brothers and sisters, come on out. Come on out. Bring your chair. Bring your juices, your water, your Sabbath sandwiches. And come on out and hear the word and fellowship. It's open to Israel. As long as you come in the spirit, you're not coming with no negativity or nothing like that, no doctrines or nothing like that. And if you do happen to come with a doctrine, damn it, we'll discuss it. Iron is sharpening of iron, and we'll keep it moving as brothers and sisters in Yahweh and H.O.I. But come in order, Israel. There most likely, I'm not a big fan of this, but most likely there will be women and children out there. So come in order, Israel. Don't come with no nonsense. Don't come with no, stupidity, negativity. We're going to have our babies and children out there, which I'm not a big fan of that. I'm not really a big fan of women and children being in the camp setting because of the danger. Anything can happen at camp. Y'all saw just this past Saturday night, we was teaching right on Hollywood and Highland, and directly across the street from us, Esau jumped off the damn building and committed suicide by Shema Mashiach Yahushai. So then the LAPD had to come. They had to set up crime tape, and everything was a chaotic, crazy scene. So sometimes the battlefield is not the best place for the women and children, but if we have a solid amount of brothers, like when we was in D.C., the Unity camp, more than enough brothers out there to protect the women and the children in case anything jumped off. But remember, the camp is the battlefield, man. We going to war, spiritual war out there that can become physical. But that's not what we out here for, Israel. We're not out here to beat our own people down. We're not out there to really fight the other nations right now. Not now. That time is going to come when we got to defend the gospel and the word. Like my brother Killer Priest said, on that movie, song, See You When I Get There, he had a line where he said, fought physical in a spiritual fight. So this spiritual fight that we're fighting, it can get physical because the spirits get so roused up that they want to get physical, they want to get carnal, but that's not what we're out here for. We are the servants and the mouthpiece of the Most High and Yahweh. Our job is just to deliver the message. Don't shoot the messenger. You got a problem with anything, you need to take it up with the Most High. Because we speak for him. We speak for Yahweh B'Shem Mashiach Yahushai through the spirit and power of his word. So, once again, any further information, y'all can email me at houseofisraelnyc@gmail.com. houseofisraelnyc@gmail.com. All right, House of Israel, all one word. NYC, like New York City, abbreviated, at gmail.com. Every time I'm trying to do a damn live video, somebody's setting off some damn fireworks. I mean, they do fireworks all year round in Cali. So, somebody's always launching a damn M80 or something and making somebody damn car alarm go off. Salakia, y'all. Or a cherry bomb, or what they call them, M80s, cherry bombs, or blockbusters, whatever the hell they call them. That's the names I remember from when I was a child. I ain't did no damn fireworks since I was a child. But anyway, I digress. That's neither here nor there. Salakia about the noise, though. Hopefully Issachar will come and turn the alarm off soon. My Issacharite neighbors. But anyway, Salakia, I had to wet my whistle a little bit, get some libation. But anyway, Israel. So come on out, all my West Coast family. If you in California, if you in Nevada, Vegas, Arizona, Washington, anywhere, come on out, man. And wherever you coming from, Texas, come on out. If you want to fly in from the East Coast, come on out and join us, man. Have some good Hebrew fun. All right, I say Hebrew fun purposely. Have some good Hebrew fun for the summer of 2021. Oh, that rhymes. Salakia. Get my bars on. My Tuesday hip-hop quotables from Priest Zabach. Come on out and have some fun, some Hebrew fun for the summer of 2021. But nah, come on out and fellowship, family, because we don't know. We don't know how long we got in this kingdom. We don't know how long, they going back on lockdown. New York today, Mayor de Blasio, he just set down the ordinance. If you're not vaccinated, you can't go to bars, restaurants, concerts or public performances, gyms, anywhere that's an indoor with a large amount of people, you cannot go if you're not vaccinated. So it's getting serious, Israel. We got devils committing suicide at our camps. We got snow in Brazil. We got mandatory vaccinations coming. So it's getting real out here. Shout out to my sister, Shikala. It's getting real, Israel. You know, it's getting real out here. So, you know, let's take advantage of gathering together as much as we can, traveling when we can, and having some Hebrew fun. You know, you did it in the world for carnal things. Do it for the Most High Yahweh and the truth now. So once again, HOI Los Angeles, HOI nationwide, Los Angeles Lockdown Unity Camp, and Fellowship Weekend. I'm stressing the 14th because that's the main day where we're going to be doing a big Unity Camp. But brothers will be in the building actually from the 13th to the 16th, that Friday to Monday, and different events going on, but those will be invite only. You can inbox me here on Facebook, Kanai Zabach, or you can email me at houseofisraelnyc@gmail.com. If you would like to attend, you need a hotel, you need hotel information. You know, of course, you would probably book your own flights. If you would like to donate to the weekend, because we got events going on, most likely, we are still in the finalizing of the planning stage because some things got changed at the last minute. So most likely there will be a meet and greet. There's going to be a meet and greet most likely on that Sunday after the Unity Camp. But that will be invite only, and that's going to be strictly vetted. And that's going to be top security there, you know, just to keep our families safe, you know. So that won't be a problem. Most I will. We got some things set up, some things in place, you know, just to make sure everybody's safe and we don't deal with no folly or nothing like that. So that'll be taken care of. Most I will. But at the end of the day, let's come out. Let's fellowship. Any questions, any comments, anything I might have left out on this video. It'll be a whole weekend. So if you want to come in Friday, if you want to get there Thursday night to get settled in, you know, if you want to just call us up, hey, we might be going out to eat somewhere. We might be gathering somewhere that Friday, whatever, you know, that Monday, even before brothers leave, whatever. There's going to be things going on. So you're just going to have to hit us up and find out what's going on because the itinerary is going to be very basic and it's going to have the basics of what's going on. Not too much in-depth information for security purposes and just to keep the right spirits. That's going to, you know, we don't want, you know, anybody contrary just popping up where we at. And we got brothers, women, and children and all that, you know. So, you know, that's going to be in order. So, once again, Israel, HOI Los Angeles, HOI Nationwide presents Los Angeles Live. 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Hollywood and Highland. At the crossroads of Hollywood and Highland. We'll be a little bit more into the street on Hollywood Boulevard, off of Highland, but you can't miss us. You know, once you come in the area, you'll see fringes and their brothers and sisters, whatever. On the itinerary, we'll have the exact address because we actually teach in front of the metro station, the Red Line metro station, Hollywood. Well, not in front of there. It's a store next to that. But we'll have the exact address for those that you might rent a car in case you drive or whatever. You'll be able to Google the address and come. Parking in the Hollywood area, you just have to look for it, honestly. Or you can go into a parking lot and just walk down to the location. But parking could be pretty rough in the area. Sometimes brothers and sisters have to park a block or two away. There is a parking lot. There is a parking lot directly across the street from the camp location. I think it's like $10, $15 for the day. No more than $20 for the day. So you can, there's a parking lot directly across the street from the camp. All right, so come on out, Israel. We can use y'all support. Like I said, if y'all want to donate, y'all can hit me at the Cash App, $Shaquall, S as in Sam, H as in hat, A as in apple, Q as in Quiet, A as in Apple, L as in Larry, 777-777. All right, Cash App, $ Shaquall, SHAQAL, 777-777 on Cash App. On PayPal, if you want to donate, it's paypal.com/inac747@yahoo.com. I as in instinct, N as in Nancy, A as in Apple, K as in karate, 747@yahoo.com to donate on PayPal. All donations and monies will go towards expenses for the trip, whether it be food, gas, transportation, whatever, whether we be help a brother or sister get out here, whatever, help somebody while they're here that might be a little tied up. You know, everything will go towards the trip. If not, we'll finance everything right out of our pocket. Whether you give $1 or you give a dime or nothing at all. If you can't do that, send up a prayer that is a successful and blessed weekend, and that the word of the Most High go out and the fellowship go out and we show strength as a nation, as Israel, because we're about to go home. This kingdom is falling. Esau is the end of the world, and Jacob is the beginning of it that followeth. 2 Ezra 6:6-9. All right, so any more questions or comments or anything y'all need to know, Israel? Salakia, I might have left out a few things on this video. I do apologize. But come on out and fellowship for the Unity Camp, HOI Unity Camp. I know a lot of y'all that follow HOI, even if you're not part of the exact body, I know, you know, y'all would like to meet some of the brothers. You know, y'all know me already. Y'all like, Elder Zabach, he's out there in LA all the time. He ain't nobody. We see him all the time. We ready to see some of the other brothers that's not always in LA. I'm always out on the. I'm bi-coastal. LA is my second home, so hell, LA is my damn near my first home now. I'll be out here more with my family, but come on out and support Israel and keep it in order, keep it respectful, keep it orderly, keep it brotherly and sisterly, and keep it as a nation. No folly, no nonsense. You got a problem? Let's talk it out as men or as women, but we're not dealing with nothing else. And let me just put this out there in the air. We will protect our family at all costs. I'm just throwing that out there in the air. All right. All right. So let's not go the nigger route. Let's go the Israelite route. All praises to Yahweh Ba'Shem Mashiach Yahushua forever and ever. Amen. Any questions or comments, inbox me here on Kanai Zabach or email me at houseofisraelnyc@gmail.com. If you want to support, if you didn't get the Cash App or the PayPal, you know, I'll give it to you. And then if all else fails, if you can't make it, you can't send anything, send up a prayer that we have a blessed and successful weekend of fellowshipping and teaching the Most High and Yahweh's word. Ba'Shem Mashiach Yahushua. So once again, August 13th through 16th, HOI Los Angeles and HOI nationwide will be in the building. Los Angeles, California. Los Angeles Lockdown Unity Camp will be on Saturday, August 14th, 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Hollywood and Highland in Hollywood, California, USA. Come on out and support. Hear the word. Bring your chair. Be ready. You know how camps are on Sabbath. It's like an outdoor Sabbath class. Come on out and support. All right, Israel, in the spirit of Yahweh and Yahushua and brotherly, sisterly, and nationhood love. Ba'Shem Mashiach Yahushua. So I'm going to sign off with that. Once again, Psalms 133, how beautiful and pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together in unity. All praises to Yahweh and Yahushua. All right, so I'm going to sign off with that. HOI Los Angeles Lockdown Camp. All right, weekend of August 13th through 16th. Emphasis on August 14th. Saturday, 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Hollywood and Highland, Hollywood, California. All right. So with that, pre-Sabach, HOI to the chariots fly, all the camps in Yahweh and Yahushua forever and ever. Amen. Kwame Ashala, we still got next. Hallelujah. Ba'Shem Mashiach Yahushua forever and ever. Amen. HOI pull up, boys. Bring it out. All praises to Yahweh and Yahushua forever and ever. Amen. Come together in love, Israel, and fellowship. Kwame Ashala.